Welcome to week 4. We have now concluded 3 whole weeks of classes. In the 8-week section, this is the equivalent of 1/3 of the course, or 3 weeks of the entire class. We are now getting into the midpoint of the class. Hope you had a good weekend. Here's what's coming up this week. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. Yes, the new chapters are the equivalent of 2 more weeks worth of work. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities and assignments and exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar of Canvas. Please make sure and read chapters ethnicities, page 228 to 261. In Chapter 8, Political Geography, pages 264 to 302 in your textbook. Also review the lecture notes, instructor study guides, and the videos provided as content for these topics. Map quiz number 2, Africa and the Middle East. Is available today, Sunday, November 4th, and is due Friday, November 8th by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 2 is due Saturday, November 9th by 11:59 p.m. The reflection is available by tonight. I will be grading reflection number 1 later today or at the latest by tomorrow. The key concept questions number 2 for chapters 5 through 8 are due Saturday, November 9th by 11:59 p.m. If you correctly completed it and submitted it by the deadline, you will get 40 points. You may find the submission page on both the assignment section of Canvas or on the module for week 4. The Word document containing the questions has been posted on Canvas since last week. Exam number 2 will cover chapters 5 through 8 and will have 25 multiple choice questions worth 4 points each for a total of 100 points. The exam will be available by Wednesday, November 6th, and it is due Sunday, November 10th by 11:59 p.m. You will have 90 minutes to complete it, and you can take it multiple times until the time is due by the deadline. The content for the exam comes from the lectures posted in the modules. Read the lecture slides, listen and watch the YouTube narrations of the lectures for each key issue. There are 4 key issues per chapter. Read the respective textbook pages as indicated in the schedule. And last but not least, read the accompanying study guides. The study guide is a condensed version of the textbook. Think of it as the words the professor will speak in a face-to-face class while he lectures. Please remember to log in to the course at least 3 times a week, or preferably daily, so you can see so I can see that you're active in the class. Logging into the course so I can take attendance in an online course. Have a great rest of the week, and we will see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.